me I have 1990's Crompton Greaves Dec'Air. As you may know, I have showed this fan in 2019 and I have done a tear down and everything, and I installed it in the same room and showed you. So now it's finally time to give this fan a well-deserved restoration after all this use. It's time. So yeah, let me show you around. When I got the fan, the canopies weren't original. The golden download was missing. So I have sourced all these spare parts and will use it in this restoration. Shackle is original and there are the blades. So let's start tear down of the motor and blades. So guys, as you can see, the fan is finally torn down. You can see all the shanks, blades, everything in pieces. So you can see the winding. There's a 16 pole winding, same as the other Dec'Air. And you can see the wires, even these are hard but these aren't broken, so no need to replace them. They're still quite an awesome shape. This one had some rat bite, so I cut it short, but nonetheless all good. Now let's start sanding. So guys, as you can see, everything is sanded, ready to be painted. We are waiting it for it to dry, and once it dries, we'll start painting as soon as possible. So guys, it's the next day here. As you can see, everything is dried properly. So now let's start assembling the fan. So as you guys can see, the fan is finally installed. It looks really awesome, especially with the old Dec'Air style canopy, original download. And yes, as you can see, I have had some brown touches to the shanks which are not there in the other Dec'Air restoration. So let's switch it on. Awesome performance as usual, expected from Dec'Air. I'm very much satisfied how this turned out. Let's switch it off. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you like this restoration. Please like, share, comment, subscribe for the upcoming restoration videos. So yeah, thank you.